Hello, grade 5. Today our lesson is about patterns of nutrition in plants, varieties of nutrition patterns and needs, page 6. As we know that any green leaf plant is called a green plant. This means that any plant that have green leaf or green leaves is called a green plant. Look here, this plant has a green leaves and this plant also has a green leaves. This plant has a green leaves and this plant, also this plant, all these plants have green leaves. Then these plants are called green plants. Green plants is called also producers. All green plants produce their own matter. This means that all green plants produce their own food. They are called producers. So all the green plants are called producers because they produce their own matter. We are going to talk about the needs of a green plant. Observe here the document. What are the needs for producers to produce their own matter? This plant is called a green plant and it's called a producer. Why it's called a producer? This green plant is called producer because it produces its own matter. The needs of a green plant are light, carbon dioxide, water, and mineral salts. To produce their own matter, producers absorb from soil, water and mineral salts, absorbs carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. Then the needs of a green plant are water, mineral salts, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. The producers absorb from soil with their roots water and mineral salts and, and absorbs from air carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. From where do producers take these needs? They take water and mineral salts from the soil. They take carbon dioxide from the air in the presence of sunlight. For example, look here at this plant. This plant is called green plant. Why it's called green plant? Because this plant has leaves, and every green plant is called a producer. This plant is a producer because it's a green plant and has leaves. What are the needs, for example, for this plant? The needs of this plant are water, mineral salts, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. This plant takes water and mineral salts from the soil by its root and takes also carbon dioxide from the air in the presence of sunlight. Producers means page 8. Producers absorb by their roots. Look here, by their roots, producers absorb water and mineral salts from the soil and absorb by their leaves carbon dioxide and sunlight from the air. So producers absorb by their roots water and mineral salts and absorb by their leaves carbon dioxide and sunlight from the air.